In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious banana cake recipe. Welcome to Tasting Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1½ cup of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of milk, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a cup of oil, and 3 bananas sliced into 1-inch slices. Add 1 cup of sugar to a pan over heat. We're going to heat the sugar until it starts to dissolve and it becomes golden brown. Once all the sugar is completely dissolved, we're going to add in the butter and continue to mix. Once it is completely dissolved, we're going to remove from the heat and we're going to transfer it to a baking pan. Now we're going to take the banana slices and we're going to line them up on the bottom of the pan. In a bowl, we're going to beat together their eggs until they're smooth. Slowly add in the remaining sugar while continuing to beat. Add in the vanilla extract. Add in the oil and mix until everything is completely combined. Slowly add in the flour while whisking. Add in the baking powder and mix until there's no clumps left. Slowly add in the milk while mixing. Pour the batter over the banana and the caramelized sugar. Place on a baking tray. Add boiling hot water into the tray. Bake this in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Once out of the oven, we're going to cool and we're going to flip it out of the tray. Our banana cake is complete, now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.